What is it? How does it work? And most importantly, how do we stay safe while using it? Let's go! Think of the internet like a giant, invisible web of connections that links computers, tablets, phones, and even gaming consoles all over the world. When you play an online game, watch a video, or send a message, your device sends information through this giant web, kind of like a super fast digital mail system. And guess what? This all happens in less than a second. Pretty awesome, right? Let's imagine you want to watch your favorite cartoon. Your device sends out a tiny digital message called a request. This request travels through wires, cables, and sometimes even radio waves to big computers called servers. These servers keep the videos, games, pictures, all the stuff you see online. The server sends the information back to your device. And Shazam! Your video appears! Super fast! Super cool! The internet is fun, but just like crossing the street, you need to know how to stay safe. Here are 4 kid-friendly rules to keep you protected. Never share your real name, address, school, phone number, or passwords. That's private info, like your secret superhero identity. If you're unsure about a website, a message, or a game, ask a parent or trusted adult. Teamwork equals safety. Only type things you would say with kindness in real life. Words matter, even on a screen. See something weird? Someone being mean? A message from a stranger? Stop what you're doing and tell an adult right away. You're never in trouble for asking for help. With the right rules, the internet becomes an amazing place to learn, play, create, and explore. You can watch cool videos, play games with friends, learn new skills, and even discover how to build robots, draw cartoons, and more. So that's the internet, a giant web that connects the world, helps us learn new things, and lets us have tons of fun, when we use it safely. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for more kid-friendly adventures. See you next time on KELVGLOBAL ICT. Bye!